If your Monday.com status column is showing an error, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a simple step-by-step fix you can try right now. We'll start with the fastest checks first, then move into the more likely browser and board setting issues so you can get your workspace back to normal as quickly as possible. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, refresh the page. Sometimes Monday.com just needs a quick reload to clear a temporary glitch, and that alone can fix the status column error. If the problem is still there, the next thing to check is your internet connection. Open your browser and search for a speed test, then run a quick test to make sure your connection is stable. A slow or unstable internet connection can stop Monday.com from loading board elements correctly, including the status column. If your connection looks fine, move on to clearing your browser cache. On most browsers, you can press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. In the Clear Browsing Data window, make sure you select Cached Images and Files and Cookies if needed, then clear the data and restart your browser. Old cache files can cause display problems and weird loading errors, so this is one of the most effective fixes. After that, check your browser extensions. Open your browser menu, go to Extensions, and then Manage Extensions. Look for anything that could interfere with Monday.com, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, or script blockers. Turn them off temporarily, then reload Monday.com and see if the status column starts working again. If the error is still showing, the issue may be inside your Monday.com board settings. Open your board, click on the status column, and open the column menu. From there, choose Edit Labels and Permissions. This is where you can check whether the column settings are correct and whether anything has been restricted or changed in a way that could be causing the error. If needed, review the labels, confirm the permissions, and make sure the column is set up properly for your team's workflow. In many cases, the problem comes from a browser issue, a connection problem, or a small column setting conflict, so going through these steps one by one usually solves it. Once you've completed each step, test the status column again to see if the error is gone. If it still isn't fixed, try opening Monday.com in another browser or an incognito window to rule out a browser-specific issue. And that's it. You've now gone through the main fixes for the Monday.com status column error. If this video helped, please like the video and subscribe for more easy Monday.com tutorials and troubleshooting guides.